Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on Excel how to use vertical lookup. In this tutorial we are going to cover the functionality of lookup, parameter, demo which will involve a problem, real and actual demonstration. Vertical lookup function is used for getting the values corresponding to a value from a reference data. It takes four parameters: lookup value, the value which need to be searched, table array, the reference data where the values need to be picked up, column index, reference table column to be returned by this function, and this is started counted as 1 from the left. Range lookup, this is a parameter which will determine whether the approximate value is acceptable or not. If you say true, then approximate value will be returned, otherwise it will not return the value. How it works is, let's say this is our working table, and in our working table we have a key and a piece of data which we want to return based on the key. And this is our reference data which holds the key and the data. And here is the vertical lookup. Vertical lookup has the first parameter which is value. What we are looking up the key, and where we are looking up, we are looking in this reference table. And column index is counted from here 1 and 2, so we are trying to return the data. And range lookup will be false as we do not want approximate value to be returned. This is how it looks in the Excel, and this is lookup value, table array which is a range, and column index, range lookup. Now let's have a demo. For demo we are going to use a problem, and the problem is something like this. Let's say there is an HR system which is storing employee number, name and SSN. A new HR system is created with new employee number, but obviously it has the same name and SSN. So our problem is to find a new employee number corresponding to old employee number for each employee. Now let's have a demo. So in our demo, this is our old system which holds the employee number, name and SSN, and this is a new system which holds the employee number, name and SSN. And our problem is to get the old number and corresponding new employee number. So to solve this, we will use the vertical lookup function, and how we will go about is, let's say the SSN is same in both the systems, so this is going to be our key value, and let's enter a vertical lookup function in this column and find the SSN number for old employee number. So if you go here and search for vertical lookup, you will find it, and this will open this dialog box. And lookup value, what we have to look up? We have to look up for the old employee number. Where we have to look up? We have to look up in this range, and let's fix the range so that we will not move it when we copy the formula. To fix the range, let's use the $sign. Column index, so we are returning the SSN which is 1, 2, 3. So column index is 3, and we don't want to approximate value, so it will be false. So we got the SSN number corresponding to 1001, which is here. Let's copy this formula all the way up to the end. So bring your cursor towards the end of this and wait for when it changes to plus sign, just double click. Now let's enter the second vertical lookup to get the new employee number from the new system. So the key for this is the SSN. So that should be our first column in the table. So let's copy SSN as first column. Now let's go up to the enter function, and we will have vertical lookup. Lookup value, what we have to look up? this time is SSN, and where we have to look up is in here, and let's fix the range by adding the dollar sign. Column index, this time it will be 2 and false because we don't want approximate. And we got our new employee number. Let's check whether this is correct. So 5009 is for John. So this is correct. Now let's copy this formula. Bring your cursor and wait till it become a plus sign and double click it. Let's check one more. 1014. 1014 is 1239512 and 5012 5012. That's correct. And that's how you will use the vertical lookup. Hope this is helpful, and thank you for watching this tutorial. Bye for now.